Hello everyone, I am Jyoti Roy. I hope you all are doing well. My topic I want to take off country Bangladesh. Bangladesh is a beautiful country in short area. In become indefinite 1971 after Great War. The capital Bangladesh country in Dhaka and national language of in English and Bangla. More than 170 million people live in our Bangla. Coxbazar in the loosely say base in your work. Sundarban is the home of the Royal Bengal tiger. Most of the Bangladesh country and farmer workers. Our country of Bangladesh and famous garments, tree and juxt. We celebrate many finally and like to the Eid, Durga Puja, but then Poila Boishakh. Of the Bangladesh country, finally kinds in what work and health work. I love me to country very much. I am proud of be a Bangladesh. Thank you watching for my video. If you like it, please share with your friends. See you next the video. Bye.